learned a lot of new things, a lot of new techniques, how to involve the audience, and also got a lot of good contacts for now and also in the future. We all together are more wiser than one or two individuals.
The format is quite interesting due to the fact that you're sitting at a small table and then you can work on a subject like we did this morning on culture and exchange ideas and then present it and hear what other tables have said.
I've learned a lot of things. First of all, I've learned about the new privacy shield report from the European Commission, which is quite interesting. We see all the issues and caveats we have to think about. We have to think about all the issues about business and management also, and that's very, very valuable for us.
The Wisdom of Crowns conference was really interactive. Speakers were really engaging. It's really accessible for someone who doesn't have so much knowledge of data protection.
Very, very happy to be invited today to the event. It was a very interactional event. I was happy to meet all the other professionals. It was very diverse, which is important for here at the EU headquarters. We discussed many, many topics and I discovered a lot. A lot of laughs shared as well on the GDPR and all the thing that has to do with security. So I would definitely recommend it and I would attend in the future for sure.
I found the use of the interactivity on the mobile phone or the tablet device while we're going through actually gave a lot of information back. The information from the crowd as to what they all thought really helped. I also really much enjoyed each session where we were able to discuss and actually give some input into building the mind maps and the checklists that we had.
So yeah, it was really fantastic to be here. It was my first time at the Wisdom of the Crowds and I learned a lot of nice people here, and yeah, it was really interesting to see how others deal with the GDPR challenges and what kind of questions they have and what challenges we're facing. That's really helpful for myself and for my clients.
I must say I was very happily surprised with how the event was conducted. The presentations were of course very good, but also the interactive aspect was really refreshing, because you are dealing with people that are dealing themselves with similar problems, but they come from another view. So it's always refreshing to put new ideas together to come to one compromise.
Find the Wisdom of Crowds format really, really helpful, and getting people together and getting interactive discussions is a really good thing, and it's good fun and it's a good way to make contacts and share experiences. My GDPR golden nugget would be it's about the individual, not the company.
People are really trying to bring their expertise to you. They're also trying to show you new products that really do have an added value for your business. And you get to meet people that are in your domain, also quite international if I'm honest. So it's the whole Benelux area, also the UK is involved, and it's just you get a really great platter of opportunities.
You get to meet a lot of different people from different industries, different experience levels. And especially to discuss on a topic that's the pulse, that's catching the pulse at the right moment. That is GDPR.
Very happy with the outcome. First of all, only hearing good things from the audience. People have even traveled from all over Europe in order to meet you here and participate. Typically, we find that most events that we participate in, we have a booth and we wait around for the breaks. Obviously, this has been very interactive. We get to mingle within the audience, within the sessions, and be heard, have our voice heard, and also people interact, and that's where most of the relationships are formed.
I think the event format is great. Obviously, a lot of time and effort's been spent on thought about where the location of everything is. Even down to the attendees, which was again a full house of quality people in our industry.
And I think it was great because it's very interactive and very nice conversations about GDPR and what's happening right now. All companies have to deal with it, and it was great actually to see in the polls which Topics are actually really interesting to discuss, and yeah, learned a lot about the wisdom of crowd today.